हेलो गाइस, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಉన్నారు ಎಬ್ಡಿ ಇರ್ಕೇನೆ ಕೈಸೆ आप लोग. This is Rohit and welcome back to my channel. So after almost a month, me and Jeevan and Raju had went to a ride. You people had seen in the vlog that we went to Jeevan's village. So after that, I had not been doing any vlog. So thought to do some vlog. Actually, the work pressure was very high, so could not do any vlog. So I could not go anywhere. The reason behind that is that I'm planned for a very long trip, almost taken a leave about 40 days, so it's a great thing. So right now I thought I'll do a vlog. So I bought a Bluetooth intercom, VNet Bluetooth intercom. It is a budget intercom that it is very useful in sense for doing a long rides and also communicating with the other riders. So it can connect almost 6 riders, and it's very good thing for a very good useful tool for the riders, to tell honestly. I thought why myself to unbox the box, but I thought let me do also a vlog and it can be useful to the people who are watching my vlogs. So let's unbox it first. So guys, right now the intercom, I have unboxed it, and these are all the things which are along with the intercom. So this is the main intercom, and this is the clip which will be holding to the helmet, and these are the 2 stickers for the both the side speakers or the headphones, and along with it this is attached to the intercom, so through which we can connect the intercom. And this is a flexible thing, so we can flex it according to our convenient posture or position inside the helmet. And right now let's install it. So along with it we'll be having an Allen key to tight the intercom, and 2 screws. So first I'm thinking which side to install. I think so left side would be better to install the intercom, I guess. So I have to just check the position. Yeah, left side would be better. So because if we install towards the right side, whenever we remove the helmet our hand will be touching the thing, and this part will be, it can be, there is chances to be damaged actually. So it's better we install the left side. So exactly it will be like this. So let's remove it first. Removing only this left side panel, which will be enough. You people can see already the GoPro mic setup is here. So there will be 2 mics, I guess. So for installing it, first I need these things. So guys, I just put this clip separately, and the Allen key given by them, I'm just tightening it, both the screws. Do not tight it over tight, because it is a fiber plastic material, it can break. There are chances to break. You can tight it normally, a medium tight. If you do, I think so it will be okay. Yeah guys, I have tightened it completely. You can see the clamp is very strong right now, so it can withstand any situation. So after that, after installing this thing, I forgot something. There are 2 mics, 2 speakers, right? I have to even take the right side panel to just take it out. So this one I'll just fix it the left side, so that this thing should be this thing should connect to the intercom. So with the mic side should be always to the connecting side, whichever side you are connecting. So guys, to the one side I peeled the tape out, the sticker, the 3M sticker, and I stuck the one side. Actually it is like just stick, and just you can peel it off. Just the inner part you have to use a 3M sticker along with the intercom only, you will be getting it. So this is for the right side. So after sticking it, you have to just take the speaker and just, it's very strong, just attach it like this. That's it. It will be perfectly all right. And the other thing is the right side. This one also you have to just stick it. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. Your intercom is ready. You are ready to use. And after all that, you have to just install this one, the helmet paddings. So guys, I finally installed it, but you people make sure that these wires are put inside properly, and also a proper taping is done, because while removing the helmet or whenever you are wearing your helmet, if these wires touch your finger and if it is damaged, it is very much difficult to get these wires. So have a proper taping so that it will be safe. Then finally you can take this intercom and just install it like this. That's it, guys. Your intercom is ready. So after this, just you have to connect this and ready to use. And to operate it is just if you want to connect to the riders, see, you can see this biking symbol, you have to just press for 2 seconds. See, now it is ready for the other rider to connect to your intercom. So if you want to just play songs or attend the calls, you have to press this one for 6 seconds. See, the light will be blinking red and blue, then it will connect automatically to your phone and you can play songs or attend the call. So the disadvantage in this intercom is that, so you cannot play the music as well as you cannot connect to the other riders. You can do any one thing at a time. So this is the only disadvantage in this intercom, but it is a very budget intercom for doing long rides. And also the backup for this intercom is around 4 to 5 hours for if you play only the music or the phone calls, but while connecting to the riders it is around 6 hours, I guess. So you need an external power source or a power supply connected to your power bank or anything to use it continuously throughout the ride. So guys, the price of the intercom is around 4,000. I did not buy it in online or anything. I bought it in Lalbagh Road, Adeshwar biker stop. So all the riding gears and riding accessories, I purchased it from that shop only. So the shop is very good and the customer service is also very good. So if you people are in Bangalore, you can definitely visit that store. So that's it, guys, in today's vlog. So almost there is 1 week. Today it is 27th of March. Exactly, there is almost 7 days for the ride to begin. So the ride is a surprise. So before going, I will be showing you what are all the things I am carrying to the place which I am going. So that's it, guys. And if the video is informative, just subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. And if you are having any feedback, just I'm sorry for the outside noise, guys. If there is any feedback, you can comment in the comments. Bye.